I am excited to give you a quick peek at CoachArt Connect, our matching platform, which I'm excited to announce. We're currently working on the app version, so we'll have some updates on that soon. So let's take a look here. We'll go over to CoachArt Connect and go ahead and log in here. So the first thing our volunteers see when they log in is a list of student matches that are the closest to the address that they provided in the registration process. We've recently added a photo option so students can upload a picture, and that helps volunteers really feel like they're getting to know the kids before they request them. So you can see the first name, gender, age, the distance from where you live, any subjects the child wants to learn, and then their limitations. So you can go ahead and scroll down. At the bottom, there's a map view where you can zoom in and see exactly how close some of the students might be to you. There's another function where, let's say I don't want to look by my home, I'd rather look near work, and I work in San Francisco, for example, whereas I live up in Benicia. I can type in any address or city and then see the results in that location as well. So here are some San Francisco kids. Once I decide on a child that I think would be a good fit, I would go ahead and request that student. And if I have multiple overlapping activities, I would select which one I'm the most excited about teaching. I would enter my availability, and it pre-populates from the last time you logged in, so you can edit this as needed. And as soon as you hit submit, Owen's mom or dad would get a message letting them know that Coach Molly is available to teach Owen photography, and they'd be able to select one of these times. This platform has been working really, really well for us. We have the different tabs as well where they can update their activities, their address, etc., as well as our Coach Corner site, which has got lots of great resources for them. So we're excited about our success here and looking forward to continued growth. Another thing on the agenda this year is to have a family platform where families can log in, sign up for clubs, and request a coach as well. That's it. Over to you, Greg.